What's up, YouTube? I'm back, and I have a little setup here. I have it in a cup, and I'm sorry of the what's it called? I forgot though, but I got a lot of cats. I did not spawn them; they just came. I got little Simon. Little Simon cat there, a black cat, a lot of orange cats, a lot of dogs too. So, yeah, my melon farm too. So let me show you how I got the black cat. Well, I was coming here to check and see if there's any eggs. So next thing I know, there's an ocelot right there. Got a couple fish, and I tamed it. Then it turned black, and I'm like, what? There's a black cat? Then the next one, the Simon cat, is the one that I got in the woods. And I need another one to breed, and I'm not sure if you can breed different cats in this game. So it's been a long time since I had a video to YouTube, and hope you guys like this video, because it would be really cool if you just liked it. And it's a little tour. Wait, hold on. Hold on. There we go. So, little tour. My little redstone contraption. And so, yeah, this is it. And that's how I got the ocelots. I did not have any bait yet, but let me drop down. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is how they spawn, because when it's nighttime, they like light, so I light it up in the jungle, and it works perfectly. And if you see any video that says put bait, it actually doesn't work. The bait rots and it disappears, so it won't work. Just do this. Be patient, and you'll probably get an ocelot. And yeah, that is it. It's the sound a seashell makes. Bye.